today I cooked chicken and I ate that chicken. Then I thought that this is so delicious chicken. I cooked very well and I know how to cook this chicken. And when I finished my chicken, then I stood up and go, went to wash dishes. And while while washing dishes, someone came to our house and asked me that where is your father? How are your father? And told me that where is your father? Then I said to that person, I don't know where has my father gone. My father told me that I have to go, and I don't know they when my father gone actually. And then that person left our house and gone somewhere. Even I don't know about that person. Then I when I finished washing dishes, then today my father told me you go nap out at our house. Then I think about my fathers and mothers. Then I think I do not go nephew our house. Then I I come our shop and sit and study my novel books. Then my mother tell me you study others book. Then I study novel book. Then I I feel get bored. Then I I study book, Odia book. Then my father caught watermelon. Then I eat. Then I eat and I come. I come. I go tuition. Then I eat kurkure and chocolate. Then my friends come and tell me you play with me. Then I tell yes I play with you, but I do not play long time. Then they told okay. Then I come our house and eat something, and I hold my